Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be unboxing all the things that I bought from Cabela's while I was taking my trip this past weekend, and on top of that I'm going to be showing you how to put line onto a bait caster. I replace my line every 2 to 3 weeks. That's pretty often. Most people only do it once, maybe twice every couple months, but I like my line to be very, very fresh, especially where I fish and it rips it up and whatnot. So let's get into the unboxing and then we'll put line on the reel. All right, so let me show you guys. Oh, let me just move that out of the way there. But let me show you what I got from Cabela's here. I got some of these Shadowlicious swim baits here. These things look freaking amazing, you guys. Let me tell you, I'm gonna try to open this here and show you. I love these things. I love the color on them. I love how the eyes look. Just the overall, I mean, just beautiful, beautiful baits. Got these at Cabela's, so pretty excited about that. I really like the detail on it. Just the color. You got a purple. It's almost like a sexy shad with purple, and then you've got this red here that I really enjoy. I feel like that'll give me a lot of reaction bites. So that's what I got. It's by Strike King, Shadowlicious. The Ghost Minnow, I think. Hang on, let's focus on that. If it will. There we go. So yeah, Shadowlicious 4.5 inch neon Ghost Minnow. So there you go. And then the next thing I bought, which is I'll be making a challenge video with this. It is just big old tub of worms for 20 bucks that I got from Cabela's. It's just a huge tub of worms, and it's just a miscellaneous hodgepodge of worms and different things. You know, you've got some with a little tail here. You've got like trick worm kind of deals here. You've got Senkos here. Just the amount of worms in here is absolutely absurd. You know, you've got all kinds of stuff. You got the black and blue with the trick tail. You've got the red see-through, the green pumpkin, the silver shad. You've got all kinds of stuff here for 20 bucks. I got this whole huge bucket. Chartreuse tail. I don't know if you guys can see that with the light. Chartreuse tail Senko there is going to come in clutch. So that's going to be a challenge video where I'm going to use just these to work on catching fish. The next thing I got is some line. Look at that. It's going to be got a freaking huge thing of line. This is Cabela's brand of line. It's pink line, 20 pounds. I got 2,600 yards of line for $10. This is pink line. I'm going to be using this predominantly in saltwater and catfishing, but it's a good deal. Can't pass that up. The last thing I got would be regular line for my bait caster. I got this line just because I thought it was really cool. Just the overall colors on it, whatnot. I don't know. It's like camo line. I thought that was really interesting. But it is 15-pound line. I got 925 yards for it, all for $10. So not too bad, not too shabby. I really like that. But there you go. That's what I got. Not too much, but we'll be able to make some videos out of all this stuff. And like I said, this is going to be a challenge video right here. I'm going to be using these in the upcoming months here. Probably not for the spawn. Probably pre-spawn these will be good when the fish are fattening up and whatnot. And then this is, I mean, who always doesn't need line? So let's put line on the bait caster and end this video. All right, so this is what our reel looks like without any line on it. So we're going to put some line on it, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So when you start, you got to get the line off of here. This is some camo line that I got. It's a pretty cool line, I think. You're going to want to feed it through the front of your bait caster, just like this. And then depending how you guys like to tie it, you can put it through 1 or 2 of these little holes in here. I usually just put it through until it comes out on the other side, whether that be 1 or 2. You know, I'm really not picky. Put your release down so it's easier to move it while you're trying to do this. And then after you've got it nice and tied on there, oh, unfocused. But once you got it tied on there, you're ready to go. And then the easiest way to do this is just simply hold it out like you would when you're fixing a backlash, and then just slowly reel it, and you've got your line there, and then you just kind of put it on. Simple as that. Don't tangle it around the handle. That'd be a good idea. That's what not to do, right? Hang on, let's fix this. There we go. So yeah, kind of hold it out a little bit, and then make sure to keep tension on the line as you're putting it on the reel, and then you should be good to go. And there you go. Now that you've got all your lines spooled up on there, you take this and you can continue leading it all the way through till the end and then tying a head on there, which I will be doing in just a second. And that's how you put line on a bait caster. Alright, so there you go. That is how you put line on a bait caster and my unboxing from Cabela. So, can't wait for the weather to warm up. I plan on going kayaking with Nick. We're going to do some exploration around Doctor's Lake and seeing some stuff like that. I also am going to get into customizing all of my gear, so keep an eye out for that. Until next time, I will see you guys later, and keep fishing as much as you can, even though it's ice and it's cold, and I will see you guys next time.